What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Eddie from EM Performance, and we are back at it. We are back on the strawberry coop and making some more progress. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. It's hump day. We're making it through the week. Just wanted to chime in and make a quick video for you guys, kind of show you where I'm at. I just installed an oil inlet for the turbo. And that was a part that we were waiting on, and just wanted to talk about that a little bit and the importance of it. And some superchargers have these. The newer ones do not because they are self-contained. But again, that's important to keep those things oiled as well. On this specific one, it's an older model. This is an HP Performance kit. And on this turbo here, you've got your inlet on top where the oil goes in, and as I showed you on the other video, you have your outlet or your drain on the bottom, which goes to the oil pan. When you're setting up this oil inlet, you want to make sure that you clean the surface off very good. And a cool thing that you can do before you start cleaning the area, whether it's with sandpaper or a wire wheel, whatever it may be, take a small screw and just close off the inlet so you do not get any debris down into the turbo, because you don't want any of that stuff getting in there. Clean off the area and get ready to lay down your gasket. Once you lay down your gasket, the kit that you get is gonna come with 2 bolts or 2 Allen bolts, and that's gonna allow you to secure your inlet and allow you to run your line. Once you've torqued down your 2 bolts or your 2 Allen bolts, you can run your line on top and snug that up as well. And then you're good to go. The other end of your line is going to go to the other side of your motor, and that's where you're going to get your oil pressure from, which is going to feed the oil to your turbo, back down to the oil drain, back into your oil pan. Couple of important things. I know this is a very small part of the turbo, but it's extremely important. It's what keeps the turbo lubricated. If you were to improperly install the gasket, or maybe not tighten it enough, or whatever it may be, if oil leaks from here, guess what? It's going right onto the hot side of the turbo, and you're going to be smoking. Secondly, you're going to be starving the turbo for oil. So if that oil isn't going into the turbo and it's going on to the hot side of the turbo and burning off, your turbo itself, as it turns, as it spins and builds boost, it's not getting lubrication. And without lubrication, you have lots of heat. And let me tell you, this thing, if you're running it hard, it can get red hot. So you want to make sure that you torque this down properly, you seat your gasket properly, your lines are secure on both ends, so you have a proper functioning oil line, and then also your drain. That's important as well too. We won't get into clocking the turbo and all that stuff, but your drain that goes down to the oil pan, that's another important thing too. But just wanted to make that quick little video because I just finished it. As you can see, the line runs all the way over. It's all snugged. Both Allen bolts are snugged. We got our gasket laid down properly. The whole surface area is cleaned properly too. So now we can move on to the next part of this build, and that's going to be working on the boost controller. So I hope you guys like this video. Plan on seeing some more. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, give that a subscribe, because that's where I put all these videos after Instagram. And if you want to see more, give me a thumbs up. That will let me know that what I'm doing is helping someone out there. So I hope you guys have a great week. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.